create a quick side-swept updo on short hair using a 4-inch Grip-Tuth Comb. Start by pinching the sections above your ears and twisting them inwards and to the side, trying to incorporate as many of the short layers as possible. When this hair can easily be held together with one hand, secure with a Grip-Tuth Comb by inserting the teeth of the comb from the bottom of the section and pushing upwards into the hairstyle. Because Grip-Tuth combs feature touching teeth, the comb locks all of the hair into place, including the shorter layers twisted together. To add more texture, gently tug on the hairstyle to loosen sections and add dimension. If there are any sections not captured in the style, twist them together and secure with a magic grip hairpin underneath the Grip-Tuth Comb. A quick and easy way to create a short hair updo perfect for everyday and special occasions.
Subscribe to the YouTube channel for real-time, step-by-step instructional hair tutorials using this product and many more. Available and proudly made in the USA by Good Hair Days, a woman-owned, family-operated hair accessories manufacturer since 1996.